How's it going, guys, and welcome back to another cleaning and restoration video. Today is a good day. We finally have our CleanSole Ibiza edition t-shirts. Let us know what you think in the comments. I think they're pretty smart. So yeah, I cannot wait to get there. We're arriving 1st of July. Been there for 3 months, and let's see what we can get done. The cleaning video that we are bringing to you today are these Jordan 4 Fire Reds. Our client has completely disrespected these ones. Look at the state of them. The midsole is all peeling off, creased, leather scuffs, and he's brought them to me to get them back to how they should be. The first thing that we are going to do, we are just going to strip the paintwork from the midsole, and then we will move on to the cleaning process. Okay then, guys, we are back. The shoe is fully dry, and now what we're going to do is move on to the midsole repaint. But firstly, we're going to go through the equipment that we're going to need to successfully repaint the midsole. So obviously we need our paintbrush, we need some Scotch masking tape, Angelus white paint, and Angelus black. Okay, so the first stage of this midsole repaint is to mask off all areas so we don't get any paint in any areas that we don't need it. Okay, so we've got the white section of the midsole completed. Time to strip this masking tape and focus on the black section. Guys, so now we have finally completed the midsole. We've separated the two colours with a sharp line around the midsole to separate the white and the black. What we're going to move on to now is the uppers, which we're going to sand it down, deglaze it, and then get on to the paintwork. Okay guys, so now the shoe is fully repainted, midsole repainted, and a full leather repaint. We've removed as much of the scuffs as we possibly can, put a bit of filler over it, and then put our colour matched white paint over the top. So now we've got to move on to the protective coat for the paint, and for that we are using Angela's matte finisher, and what we need to apply that is our airbrush. I'm sure a lot of you would have seen this before. So this just protects the paint from any peeling or any just wear really. Obviously throughout time you will scuff your leather, but this just kind of hides that glossy finish the paint naturally leaves and gives it more of a factory-like finish. We've got to go ahead and put our matte finisher into our airbrush. Okay then guys, so now we have finally finished these Jordan 4 Fire Reds. It's now time to go and compare the two shoes. There's a massive difference between the two shoes. Okay then guys, so now that's the end of the restoration. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.